There are two links below in the video. One is a relationship awareness assessment. It's a true-false test. Take it. It'll tell you if you got all these toxic symptoms. And then there's a link below where you can register for the free webinar on May 18th. In today's video, I'm going to talk about symptom number 2. Symptom number 2 is simply, do you have a pattern of gossip or triangulation in your culture? Triangulation in its simplest form is person A has a problem with person B, but person A goes to person C, and then person C goes to person B for person A and gets a different story, because what you hear from another third party rarely is ever 100% true. So person C goes back to person A and tells person A what he or she found out person B, and then A gives another story, and person C winds up overwhelmed and busier than either A or B. This is a toxic situation. Managers are really susceptible to triangulation. It causes managers and leaders to be overly busy, and it's very, very toxic. So if you've got this symptom, you're going to want to come to the free webinar. The link's below, a couple of links. Check them out, May 18th. See you there.